Well, hello there, word wizards and English explorers. It's your charming companion, Augustus, part-time grammar geek, full-time coffee lover, and today I'm here to sprinkle some idiom magic into your daily conversations. Idioms are those fun little phrases that don't always mean what they say, but they sure make you sound like a native speaker. So grab your cup of chai or coffee and let's dive into 5 super useful idioms for daily life. Trust me, you'll be using at least one of these by the end of the day. 1. A piece of cake. This one's delicious and easy, just like the thing it describes. If something is a piece of cake, it means it's super easy. Example, the test was a piece of cake. I finished it in 10 minutes. So next time you finish your chores early, smile and say, that was a piece of cake. 2. Break the ice. No, we're not smashing frozen lakes here. To break the ice means to start a conversation in a new or awkward situation. Example, I told the joke at the party to break the ice. Great for first days, interviews, or when you're meeting your crush's dog for the first time. 3. Hit the sack. After a long day of podcasting, even I need to hit the sack, which just means go to sleep. Example, I'm exhausted. I'm going to hit the sack early tonight. Simple, casual, and perfect for bedtime chats. 4. Under the weather. Feeling a bit off? Not quite yourself? Then you're under the weather, meaning you're not feeling well. Example, I'm staying home today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. No umbrellas needed, just rest and soup. 5. Spill the beans. We're not making a mess in the kitchen here. To spill the beans means to reveal a secret. Example, come on, spill the beans. What did she say? Careful though, some secrets are meant to stay in the pot. There you have it, 5 everyday idioms to spice up your English like a pro. Piece of cake, break the ice, hit the sack, under the weather, and spill the beans. Try using at least one today bonus points if you use all 5. And hey, if you like this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak English Podcast. Got an idiom you love? Drop it in the comments or message us on Instagram. I'd love to feature it in a future episode. Until next time, this is Augustus signing off with a smile and a sack to hit.